This is how it is entered. Say for example on say 2nd of April, so assume that we have issued say 50 units. We have purchased 50 units, say at the rate of say 5 rupees. So then it will be 500 here. Sorry, 250 rupees. 250 will be the receipt here, and assume that there is no receipt here. There is no receipt issue here. So nothing is shown in the issue column, but in the balance column what we do is we cannot add these two here. These two cannot be added and shown here. So this will be separately shown. So just for the sake of our understanding, we'll just put a line here. The line may not be necessary, but still. So like say this is again, we have to show it separately. We have 100 units of materials at the rate of 10 amounting to 1000 rupees, and as well as in the same date, as on the same date, we have another 50 units of material priced at rupees 5 each amounting to rupees 250. So like this we have to show it separately. Say when the rate of quantity is not synchronized or it is not the same, it has to be shown separately. So this is the transaction for the second day of the month. So we'll close it like this, and then assume that say on some other day, assume that on say 5th of April, assume that there is no receipt, and assume that the stores department has issued say 70 units. That they have issued 70 units. So in that case we have to check. So the first in first out, assume that we are dealing with first in first out. So in that case these 70 units are to be issued at the rate of the materials which are procured first. So the balance, if you need not go to the receipt column for that, we can just look at the balance column, because the balance column will show the materials separately. So therefore we can look at, say we have to issue 70 units here. The 70 units are to be drawn out of the first procurement of 100 units at the rate of 10 rupees here. So therefore the rate at which it has to be issued now is 70 units at the rate of 10 rupees. So this is 70 rupees, 700 rupees. So we are issuing 700 rupees worth of the materials to the store, the production department now. So look at the balance now. The balance is out of 100 units here we have consumed, or we have issued 70 units here. So therefore the balance remaining is 30 units at the rate of 10 rupees. That will continue. So this is amounting to rupees 300. And in the second consignment or the second procurement of 50 units, it is not used. So therefore this is repeated same. That is same thing is repeated here. 50 units at the rate of 5 rupees will continue as it is. So that will be amounting to 250 rupees. That is how it has to be shown. So this kind of entry will continue until the given information or data. So usually the stores ledger department is prepared for the entire month. So for each month we prepare the stores ledger account. So this is the format in which the stores ledger account is to be prepared. So we'll take up and work out problems on this in the next video. Thank you.